Hello folks, this is Ted White, and today I'm going to show you how to smooth zoom into a specific area of the screen in CapCut Mobile. Let's check it out. All right folks, let's get right into this. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the CapCut application. So we're just going to tap on this right here, and then we're going to tap on New Video. And then I'm just going to select this one right here, and I'm going to select Add down here. And then what we're looking for is, I'm just gonna scroll ahead on the timeline here, and I'm gonna look at the preview screen. I'm gonna look at when I put my fingers up. Okay, so around this point right here is where I want to start my zoom, okay? Because I wanna zoom in to this particular area right here for the demonstration. So how I'm gonna do that is I'm actually going to highlight the video clip with the playhead right here on the timeline. Then I'm going to add a keyframe. So I'm gonna add a keyframe right here. That's gonna add a keyframe right here, and this will be the start of the smooth zoom, okay? And this kind of lines up with the 00 and then -03. So it's the second 0 here. And so I'm actually gonna go and scroll ahead a bit. So I'm just gonna scroll ahead to the second 0 here of the 4, and this is around 1 second. Now I shot at 30 frames per second, so this will be about 30 frames between the zoom. So the zoom will be 30 frames. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm actually going to push on the preview screen, okay? Just to zoom in on the preview screen, all right? So that's what I'm doing right now, is just pushing. And then I am just bringing this up to about here. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to make it so you're exposing parts of the black here. So in order to not do that, you just make sure that you see these white lines here, and that means that you are within the frame. You're hitting the frame's edge, and that's where you want to be. You don't want to be over the edge, okay? So we've zoomed in. Now what we have to do is we want to make it smooth. So we've zoomed into the specific area, let's make it smooth. And how we do that is we scroll back and we put the playhead in between these two keyframes right here, okay? And what we do is we make sure the video is selected, okay, and highlighted, and then we go up to graph. All right, the graph icon, and we'll select that. Now, we can choose any single one of these. So I do recommend you play around, kind of choose whatever works for you. But for today, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just gonna put ease out, okay? I like the way that this goes. This one starts off fast and then ends off zooming slow, okay? So I'm just gonna select this one right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna put a check mark there. So now we've got a smooth zoom, all right? So that's a smooth zoom in. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on a smooth zoom out. So we wanna keep it at this screen, this picture for a little bit. We don't wanna move, and then, okay, so notice how it starts to, my fingers start to go right about there. So I'm gonna actually make it so that it's a second before this mark right here. So I'm actually gonna put the zoom, I'm gonna start the zoom out right here, and I'm gonna end it right about there, okay? How I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna scroll back here on the timeline, and I'm gonna leave it right about there, okay? And I'm gonna highlight the clip, and then I'm gonna go up to the keyframe. I'm gonna select the keyframe, so I'm just gonna tap on the keyframe here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go a second ahead. So I'm just gonna scroll over 1 second here, and then right about here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pinch the screen, okay? So I'm gonna pinch the screen to zoom out. And then I'm gonna bring it over here, and I'm gonna try to feel the pulses and look for these white lines. I'm also gonna look at this blue line right here, and I'm just gonna pinch it a little more to zoom out. And I'm gonna put it up here, okay? And I actually struggle a bit with getting this perfect. So if you can't get this perfect like me, if you're like me, what you can do is leave it like this. And then you can actually go down to the bottom here and go to transform. So you scroll over until you see transform, okay? And that happens to be right here. So you just scroll down at the bottom. You'll be scrolling this way and then you'll see transform beside lip sync at this point. And what you'll do is you'll hit that, you'll hit advanced, and then first we'll look at our zoom. It says 99%, so we're pretty close. Let's go to 100, okay? And then position, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to the position. You're gonna want the X to be 0, okay? And you're gonna want the Y to be 0. Okay, and then you're gonna hit the check mark, and that's gonna be full frame. So you're gonna take up the full frame. The last thing you wanna do is you want to make the zoom out smooth. So what you do is you move the playhead right into the middle of the 2 last keyframes here. Okay, you make sure that the clip is highlighted, and then you go to graph. You go up to graph, and then you'll pick any one of these, but since I chose ease out as the zoom in, I'm gonna put ease out as the zoom out. All right, so let me tap on that, and then it makes that ease out and it makes it smooth. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna scroll over here. I'm gonna select this CapCut watermark and I'm going to delete it because we don't need that. I'm gonna scroll back to the beginning of the timeline. I'm gonna put it on full screen. And let's go ahead and let's play this for you. Hello folks, this is Ted White, and today I'm going to show you how to smooth zoom into a specific area of the screen in CapCut Mobile. Let's check it out. All right folks, so that is how you smooth zoom in and out of a specific area of the screen. Now if you're looking at how to sync audio and video in CapCut Mobile to make a multicam clip, you can take a look at the video above.